Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL headphones with your Android phone. First of all, you have to find this power button and then click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. Just like that. And the next step, you have to open the Bluetooth settings if you don't have this quick notification. So you have to go to the pair new device and select your JBL Tune 520. Accept the pairing. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and we can also try to connect these headphones with the application. So we have to open the App Store, the Play Store on the Android. That's the application that we have to download, and as you can see, we can actually connect them to the application. So all we have to do is to open this application when we are connected by the standard Bluetooth settings and try to open the headphones. If it is not working, you can just go back and repeat to open it one more time. If it is still not working for some reason, you can just try to add them manually. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the two versions of the same headphones, the Tune 520 Bluetooth. Let's try to select, for example, this one and enter for the pairing mode one more time. Click, hold, and enter for the Bluetooth. There we go. Okay, it looks like we have to go back to this standard Bluetooth settings and do this one more time. Okay, so as you can see, we are connected, but unfortunately, okay, right now it works, but yeah, that's how it looks. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.